In this activity, we will be verifying the length of tangents drawn to a circle from an external point. So the objective is stated as under. To verify that the length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So let's study the concept first so that we can understand what we have to do in the activity. If you have any circle of any radius and you take a point P outside the circle and draw tangents which touch the circle at say point A and point B. There are only two possible tangents which can be drawn to a circle from an external point, PA and PB. So if you measure the length of PA and measure the length of PB, surprisingly, you will find that the two lengths are exactly equal. Now, how do we verify that? For that, we need to use some material, colored papers, so that we can make cutouts of the square and various other things involved in this activity, geometry box for measurements, a pair of scissors, and Fevistick, that is the glue stick for pasting work. The activity is really amazing and it involves some creative work. Let's see how this is performed.
For performing this activity, we first take a cutout in the form of a circle from a fluorescent sheet of paper and then we paste it like this on a plain sheet. After that, we need to take a point P anywhere outside the circle like this, point P, and now we need to fold this sheet of paper in such a way that the crease which will be formed will pass through P and it will just touch the circle. So the first fold can be made like this. As you can see, the fold is passing through point P and it is just touching the circle at a point. Let us label the point of contact with the circle as A. So this is the point at which the crease is touching the circle. Likewise, we need to fold the sheet of paper once more like this so that this new crease again passes through the point P and it just touches the circle at another point. Let's call this point of contact as B. After having done this much, you just need to make some measurements. Measure the length from P to A in centimeters and measure the length from P to B in centimeters. You will find that these two lengths, that is from B to P like this and from A to P like this, these two lengths are exactly equal and these two are actually the tangents drawn from the external point P to the circle. Hence, it is proved that the length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal in length, which completes our activity.